Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in Excel. Alright, so fastest method is that open up the Microsoft Excel. So right here. Now navigate to the workbook. Let's jump into the workbook. Here you will see at the top these tabs. So make sure that you are in Home tab. Now what you're going to do, under this Home tab, you have here some, I will say, tools menu. And on the right side, if you go, you will see this window in squares. So add ins, click on it. And now what you're going to do, you will type in something like ChatGPT for Excel or something. So you will have it right over here. You can also use this one. So we can try both of them. So we will add this one, which is suggested. Okay. Now, as you can see, entire workbook. So this is some prompts. And let's see what will happen. Okay. Now we can add another add-on, which is ChatGPT. Okay. And you will see it here. The first one, click on it. And it's now loading up right over here. Now, what we need to do is just follow these steps here, continue with ChatGPT. We need to log in, so I will go with continue with Google. Now that we are logged in, here we have, okay, I understand. What do you use Excel for? So you will just need to tell something or you can totally skip it. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Now we are in basically Excel, ChatGPT, and we can start edit in Excel by using ChatGPT. And let's see what happens when it's done right here. And as you can see here, it's created a new page here, basis points. And now you can see that everything is working. It's still working, but you can see that it's writing directly into our sheet right here. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.